Yo, it's the end of 10/30, 2025. It's a Thursday, and I'm going to do a trading recap today, showing us how I finished the day, making about 1.8K on the day. Pretty nice, pretty Gucci smoochy. Now, again, tomorrow's Halloween, so happy early Halloween to you guys that are watching this. If you haven't, guys, have already subscribed, or you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about anything in trading, or even let me to want to trade live with me every single day, everything be down below in the comments. Now, again, this is the day after FOMC. Yesterday was FOMC. Yesterday was pretty interesting. And actually, today was a lot more better PA than yesterday, right? We finally picked a direction, kind of actually had some decent price action, no choppity, and actually it's a straight direction to one side. So let's kind of break down the market. If you guys don't know my strategy already, I have a ton of videos explaining what my strategy is, but very quickly, my strategy is 3 steps. Identify supply and demand, where buyers and sellers are located. Identify trend, play continuation. So again, market lows. So before market open here, here's pre-market lows. Pre-market lows is right here. This is the lowest point before market opens. Now, again, let's go to the 1 minute time frame here and zoom on in. I don't really like playing the first 1 to 5 minutes of market open. It's just, you know, the last at least 4 to 5 days, if you guys haven't been trading the market, it's been very choppy, all over the place, and just disgusting. Just no clean price action, no clean nothing. It was just disgusting. Nothing to be found. No bueno, no thank you. Okay. Now, again, the market itself, right, today was actually really good. So when we broke below here, we just dumped all the way down. Immediate market open, boom, we sell right off. Now, again, I missed this whole move. I didn't trade this whole move because there's no type of continuation, no type of break, retracement, continuation. There was no lower lows and lower highs. We just straight dumped to the floor. I'm not interested in that. I am not going to play that. Okay. Then what happened? We started seeing buyers step back up into this. I'm like, okay, interesting, cool. We have lows here in the market open, right? Buyers are stepping back up. If the previous high is right here on this white candle, here's the previous high. If we can stay below this key level, meaning if we can stay below 25,995, we can still see more selling pressure to the downside. Okay, so again, I was like, cool, interesting, nice. Let's go ahead and see if we can stay below that. Market came up, sellers hit this level, we came right back below. Then we tried again. We never actually stayed below this. Market actually flipped, closed above 25,995, and then continued trading all the way back up. Guess what? Didn't take my short, and I especially didn't take longs because we're trading below the VWAP. I usually base my bias depending upon if the market's trading above or below the VWAP, and at the same time, we just sold off like 50 to 100 points. Not interested in just flipping my bias, immediately going long. No thank you. So for almost 35 minutes, got these hands right here, and I sat on them. Nothing else, just sat on those hands. So market kept on going up. Market kept on trading higher and higher. I'm like, okay, cool. I will flip my bias to long if we can go ahead and get a close above the VWAP. So again, here's VWAP, this purple liner here. And I'm like, okay, if the market can get above it and stay above it, we can look for a long to the upside. Market got closer, and we never closed. None of these candles closed above the VWAP. So I'm like, cool, my bias shorts is still validated. We just have to wait for the trend to flip and look for downside momentum. So what happened? Now we have the highest day right here. Here's the highest point of control, highest point of where the market is currently at. And now let's see if we can get a flip to the downside. We came down, ding. We just formed a lower high. Here's a high, here's a lower high. And if you guys want to see that visually, boom, boom, right? And I'm like, okay, cool. We're now getting some type of downtrend. Now, where can we enter the play? Okay. There's a few places where we could enter. We could have entered the trade, and I'll show you guys exactly where I entered to make my 1.8K. I actually entered shorts right here. Okay. Enter shorts off of this break. Beautiful trade. My take profit was actually the 50% of this candle right here, which hit beautifully. And if I actually move back out, we can see that this TP was pre-market lows originally, and I'll make this green. Okay, so we can actually see we have this high, we have this lower high, we have this break of that previous miniature support. Entry stop loss can be in 2 places. If you want to have a very tight stop, it can be candle high of our entry, or we can go to above the VWAP depending upon your leveraging, depending upon your risk tolerance. And then the trade went beautifully into our direction, collecting that take profit, making that 1.5 and being able to walk away. Now, the market did sell off a lot more. Did we cash the whole pie? Did we cash the whole momentum? Did we cash the whole juicy play? We did not. We did not catch it. It sucked. It never happened. It is what it is. It is okay. Because what are we? We're not going to catch every single move. We're not going to catch every single play. We're not going to be Picasso or the future Grinch of trading. Okay, we're supposed to catch our little small moves, enjoy the crumbs, relish in the crumbs of trading, and then be able to be consistent and repetition. Now, again, there was a lot more areas to obviously go short. Again, I would not have gone long in any of these trades because we're trading below the VWAP. So the only practical place to take those positions would be short interest. Lower lows, lower highs. Okay, break a structure, identifying key levels of support and key levels of resistance, and then taking those plays. So here's a recap. I'll put those profits again on the screen, and you guys now know how we took those trades and so forth. Now, again, hope everybody has a beautiful rest of the day, a beautiful rest of Thursday. Have a good Halloween. And again, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.